How to mute someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute someone on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is simply go to the profile of the person that you want to mute, and after that you can just tap on friends button there, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap or select on follow, and this will stop their post and stories from appearing in your feed. Now note that you are still friends and they won't know that you have muted them. So what you can do is just tap on the story, and there you can just tap on three dots on the story, and after that on the pop-up menu you can just tap on mute, and this will hide only their stories, not post. And that's it. That's how you can mute someone on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.